Yo, what's up with it? No, you can keep it. Yo, what's up with it, y'all? It's JD, Travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. I'm out here in Hayward in the East Bay area, California. And me and my homeboy G is out here getting a workout. We already ran through one circuit and we're running through another circuit right now, but that's actually not what I'm making this video about. I'm making this video about the importance of having a daily routine and having key habits that you do every single day. And first and foremost, it starts in the morning time. And the morning time is where you build up your momentum. And for me personally, the things that I like to do in the morning is, number one, I like to get up every morning and work on my mobility. I stretch, I breathe. That's usually actually the second thing I do every morning is I actually work on my breath work. I'm gonna make a video about my breathing techniques and how I incorporate breathing techniques along with meditation every single morning. Another thing I do is just straighten up my living space. I clean my apartment every morning, and I just want to make sure that my apartment is nice and clean so I can focus throughout the day. So those are three things that I do every single morning, along with drinking probably a liter of water, having a little bit of coffee, just different things I do every day to get my morning started. But that's something that actually builds up the momentum for the rest of your day. And the rest of your day is important because that's where you incorporate things like a daily workout, making sure that you're getting your work in every single day, staying fit, staying active, working out your brain. Read a little bit every day. Write a little bit every day. Have a conversation with one of your close homies every single day. Make sure that you give thanks every day for the ability to do all these things. Make sure that you give thanks every day for the ability to do simple things like walk, have all your senses, you know what I mean? Have your mentals all together, all that type of thing. The family members that you have in your life, the loved one that you have in your life. If you have a significant other, if you have a good woman in your life, be thankful for that. Because there's a lot of people who don't have the things in life that you actually have. So it's important that we acknowledge that on every day and not run around feeling sorry for ourselves like the majority of people, wanting to play the victim role. That's what's popular nowadays, is who's the biggest victim? Who came from the worst background? My hood is worse than your hood. My childhood was worse than your childhood. That type of stuff. Try to get the negative shit out of your mind and just focus on the positive on a daily. And these are just things that we can work on each and every day. Try to get better. Try to make every day better than the last one. And one reason why I stress that morning routine so much is because if you start your morning off by doing something positive, then normally the rest of your day is going to be positive as well. And you're already going into that day with a positive mindset. That's pretty much what I want to make the video about today. Starting your day off with good momentum, having good habits, drinking water, stay active, exercising your body, exercising your mind, being thankful for the things that you have in your life. And one thing I actually explained in that breathing technique video is that when I do my breathing techniques, I actually am conscious about a lot of these things. And these are a lot of the things that I think about during my morning meditation session. And I also like to kind of map out my day in my morning meditation session as well, because I always keep a notebook handy. But anyways, y'all, I just ran out of storage on my phone, so camera cut off. But anyways, I was basically just explaining the importance of having that daily routine and just making sure that we keep our day structured to a certain extent. And another thing about that, like I was saying about the meditation, is I keep my notebook handy because a lot of times when I'm doing my meditation, keep this workout going. While I'm doing my meditation, I'm also thinking about a lot of things, because my meditation runs anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes per day. And 5 to 10 minutes, your mind wanders in a lot of different directions. So if you keep that notebook handy when you're meditating, you can take some notes right after you're done. Ooh, ain't no joke. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about in this video, was the importance of daily routine, daily rituals, making sure that you keep structuring your day and having certain things that you never go a day without doing. Physical activity, exercising your body, exercising your mind, meditation, taking some time to be thankful of the positive things in your life, and kind of let all the bullshit go to the side. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have anything that you want to add that you incorporate in your daily routine, leave it in the comment section. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.